No pipes? No problem. Farming miracles with just rain. Did you know that agriculture accounts for approximately 70% of global freshwater use? So, can farming truly thrive without irrigation systems? Follow me as I take on the challenge of growing crops using only rainwater with no irrigation systems. Welcome to the world of rain-powered farming, a concept that could improve agriculture, especially in regions desperate for water resources. Farmers around the world struggle with limited water resources. The dependence on traditional irrigation systems can be both costly and unsustainable. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button before we explore the challenges and groundbreaking potential of harnessing just rain to meet farming needs. Innovations like rainwater harvesting and soil moisture management are key components in this new farming frontier. In a world facing increasing water scarcity, innovative farmers are turning to the sky for solutions. Rain-powered farming offers a sustainable path forward, harnessing the power of precipitation to cultivate thriving crops. Rainwater harvesting is a cornerstone of this approach. Farmers collect rainwater from rooftops and other surfaces, storing it for later use during dry spells. This reduces reliance on external water sources and conserves precious resources. Soil moisture retention strategies are also crucial. Techniques like mulching, no-till farming, and the use of cover crops help the soil retain water for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent irrigation. Drought-resistant crops are another key element. Farmers are selecting and cultivating varieties that can withstand prolonged periods of dryness, ensuring food security even in arid regions. Sorghum, millet, and certain types.
What innovative agribusiness or sustainable farming practices are you into? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Agrivibes with Azindoo for more insightful content. Eager to dive deeper? Check out our other videos on agribusiness and sustainable farming practices. Let's continue farming with vibes.